Civil Aviation Minister on Friday, May 20th has increased the lower limit on fares of domestic air travel by 50%. The revision of rate will come into effect from June 1 according to an official order by the minister. The Uttarakhand chapter of the Indian Medical Association on Friday responded to Yoga Guru Ramdev 25 question designed to underscore limitation of the all allopathic system of medicine challenging expert. From the Patanjali Yogpith to a televised debate on allopathic. Nothing can stop you from achieving, say wife of later major who joined Indian Army. A Delhi court on Saturday extended the police custody of two-time Olympic medalist Sushil Kumar and his associate Ajay by 4 days for custody integration in Sagar Rana murder case. Delhi court grants bail to businessman Navneet Kalla in oxygen concentrators holding case. The Supreme Court will consider in July petition filed of various banks including SBI and HDFC Bank, seeking a direction to RBI to accept information related to their customer trade secret risk rating and unpublishing price sensitive information from the Right to Information Act. In views of the post-poll violence that took place in West Bengal, the BJP decided to hold the public prevalent issue as the per-party sources on Saturday. PM Modi to address the nation through Mann Ki Baat tomorrow. After IPL 2021 T20 World Cup to be moved in UAE, BCCI gives major update in a special meet. Amitabh Bachchan owns several properties in Mumbai as well as abroad after it was reported that the actor had purchased a new apartment worth rupees 31 crore in Mumbai.